Well, my addiction is packing and moving and going. Well, let's see what we have here. I carry with me this stuff in this bag. It's not very big bag. And this is my mat I have with me. My laptop, towel, power bank, socks, scarf, some clothes, sunglasses, my raincoat, brush and sun cream, hat and shampoos, again clothes, and I have a mug with me and my spoon and my handmade, my scarf, and yeah, almost this, um, and some more clothes I carry with me. Now I'm packing and I'm planning leave this small bag in Colombo, so don't carry two bag with me. As you know, I was staying 1 month in Colombo and volunteering in this hostel, and now deadline finish, and tomorrow I start traveling again. Stay tuned for more update and more details. I'm planning travel from here, Colombo to Sigiriya, and after that to go Trincomalee. I challenged myself here to stay a bit longer, and I could do it. I stayed 1 month, and I made a lot of friends. I get to new experience, and I sold my handmade here, and I paint here. I show my painting to you. And I start to draw some Sri Lanka elements. Well, I finished this painting. It's all about elements of Sri Lanka. Overall was good experience here, and now I'm ready again after 1 month traveling.